G'day everyone, Matthew here from All Things Containers. Today we're going to be looking at our shipping container bridge fittings, which are used to securely connect shipping containers side by side or end to end. At All Things Containers, we're a family-owned business committed to providing top quality parts and products.
With over 20 years experience, we've got everything you need.
Bridge fittings are often used when shipping containers need to be horizontally stable, whether it is along with twist locks to stabilise or create a wall of shipping containers. Now I'll demonstrate just how quickly they can be installed. The bridge fitting is made from a heat treatable steel, hot dip galvanised for corrosion resistance and designed to withstand tough conditions. We stock two sizes, a 260mm and a 380mm version, depending on your container setup. Bridge fittings are often used with lashing equipment like chains, wires or straps for extra security. Together, they form a complete system that keeps containers stable on land or at sea. If you're not sure what option is right for you, get in touch and we'll be sure to help you out. Like and subscribe and we'll catch you in the next one.